everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can generate the Child Record Collection Report for a long daycare service that runs a preschool program. To ensure you have all the correct data in your Child Record Collection Report, we need to ensure your booking types have been set up correctly. To do this, click on your service menu and under Configuration, click on Rooms and Booking Types. You're then going to click on Booking Types. Select the booking type that is linked to your preschool program, and you would need to ensure that the definite preschool drop-down box has been selected as in-house and the definite preschool hours has been entered. This is the number of preschool hours per day the program runs. This needs to be set up for all booking types that are linked to that room. Once you've completed this process, if this hasn't already been done, you can then generate your Child Record Collection Report. To do this, click on the Reports menu and under Other, click on Child Record Collection. If the reference period is for a week only, you can simply untick the fortnightly box, enter in the applicable week ending, and click Generate CSV. If you wish only to report on the preschool children, you can untick the Include All Enrolled Children. However, if you do include these children, this will pick up all children enrolled at your service for the reference week selected. When generating the CSV, it will display a number of items for each child. In particular, the sex, Indigenous status, disability, languages other than English spoken at home, the hours enrolled in a preschool program, and the hours attended at a preschool program. Now, to identify what the numbers mean for columns D, E, F, and G, we recommend clicking on the Help icon and reading the Help document. This will assist you in which number means what for each category. Now, looking back at those booking types, when we entered in the number of preschool hours for the program, this is what generates in columns L and M. So the hours enrolled are the hours by the number of bookings the child has attended within the reference week, and the hours attended are the hours the child attended minus any absent days within the reference period. If you require any further information on the Child Record Collection Report for your census report, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft Customer Success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.